Quick and delicious recipe for your lunch today. Prepare a pot with boiling water, and in it, add salt to taste and 160 grams of spaghetti. Give it a quick stir and let it cook for about 4 minutes. Perfect. Meanwhile, chop an onion. In a pan, add a drizzle of olive oil, and let's add 110 grams of chopped bacon. Stir and let it fry well. Now add the chopped onion, stir and let it brown. The smell is mouth-watering, let's keep going. At this point, add 220 grams of heavy cream. Stir while it cooks for just 2 minutes. With the pasta cooked, drain the water and add it to the sauce. Stir well so everything mixes perfectly. It's almost ready, let's just adjust the black pepper and stir. Serve and top with chopped green onions to taste. What do you think? A simple and quick dish. This pasta is very creamy, and that bacon touch is absolutely mouth-watering, isn't it? Now just serve and enjoy. If you liked today's tip, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious ideas like this one. Comment below the city you're watching us from. Thanks for watching and see you next time.